It's not about who you're next to, but who's next to you. Today's topic: people who are next to you. In this world, many people believe that sincerity can be reciprocated, so they exert all their effort to be good to others, giving their all, hoping only to be seen and cherished. But reality is often different. Sometimes, the harder you try to be good to someone, the less they care. The more reluctant you are to live, the more they learn to ignore you. What truly exhausts us isn't the pressure of love, but the sense of loss that comes with "I'm so good to you," yet you remain indifferent. At that moment, you begin to doubt yourself. Am I not good enough? Am I not doing enough? But Taoism says, the Tao follows nature. This means that the beginning and end of all relationships follow their natural laws. You can force someone to be good to you, just as you can force a flower to bloom in winter. Forced giving will only hurt you. True affection is often expressed naturally, resonating without expecting anything in return. Lao Tzu said in the Tao Te Ching, the highest good is like water. Water benefits all things without striving. The best heart is like water. It nourishes all things, yet it is not attached to where it flows. A person who constantly tries to please and give will ultimately be trapped in a whirlpool of emotions. Those who understand stopping truly understand the wisdom of going with the flow. Stop trying to move yourself. What you call being moved is often just your romanticizing of the other person's indifference. You think you're brave, but you're just unwilling to let go. You think you're kind, but you're just afraid of loneliness. True maturity isn't about becoming indifferent, but about learning to discern. You know who deserves your kindness, and you know when to withdraw your heart. A person's kindness is the most precious thing in a relationship. It's full of intention, a mutual respect between souls. In Taoism, the connection between people is like the meeting of wind and clouds. Sometimes a fleeting brush pass can be a lifetime of tenderness. Sometimes even the deepest obsession cannot withstand the end of a destined connection. Therefore, don't try to move an indifferent person with your sincerity, and don't try to warm a soul that doesn't know how to cherish. Letting go is not cold-heartedness, but awakening. When you learn to turn around, your world begins to brighten. Remember, it's not who you're good to that matters most, but who is good to you. That's what truly matters. This isn't selfishness, but wisdom. Because someone who cherishes you will give your kindness a purpose, while someone who ignores you will only turn your sincerity to ashes. Taoism says, contentment prevents disgrace. Knowing when to stop prevents danger. Knowing when to stop is not retreating, but knowing when to let love return to peace. When you stop trying to move others, you begin to truly move yourself. At that moment, you no longer need anyone's approval. Your heart is finally free.